It's a quiet night in the pig household, and everyone is sleeping peacefully.
Is the baby coming?
Not for a few months, Pumpkin.
The playgroup. Huh?
What is that noise?
I'm sure it'll stop in a moment. See?
Oh, all right, everybody back to bed.
Oh, we'll never get to sleep with all this noise. Peppa, George, what do you say? Up for a noisy treasure hunt?
Yeah! Treasure hunt! I bet we find it in 2 seconds. 1, 2, 2.5.
Peppa and her family hunt everywhere for the noise.
I found it! Oh, never mind.
No. Aha! Oh.
But every time they think they've found it,
Gotcha! Oh.
Gah!
they hear the noise coming from somewhere else.
Aha! George!
Is it getting louder?
Aha! It must be Mark. Oops, maybe not.
Oh, let's look in the living room. Nothing here. Nope.
Aha! I've been looking for this.
Maybe in the bathroom.
Yes!
No.
Oh, dinosaur? Yes, George. Maybe it's one of our toys. Come on. We'll find you, beepy noise.
We've tried everywhere.
Except your room, Mummy.
We've been looking all night.
Peppa has realised the best way to look for the beep isn't to look at all.
I know. Let's close our eyes and open our ears instead.
But instead, to listen.
It's coming from here.
It's Mummy!
Oh, that's my fitness tracker. It beeps to tell me when I'm not getting enough sleep.
Yay! We did it! We found the mystery noise.
Well done, Team Pig. I think it's time we all went back to our beds and... or back to our bed. Everyone squeeze in.
Peppa and her family can finally go back to sleep. But now it's time to get up.
Maybe just 5 more minutes.
Oh no! The witch is casting a spell on me. Ah!
Tonight, Peppa and her family are having a movie night. They are about to watch a film about a witch.
Right, who's ready to start the movie?
Let's go.
Let's go!
George is very excited to watch the...
Wait! What about movie snacks?
Oh, we can't forget those.
Films do make me peckish. Let's make some witchy snacks for our witchy movie.
Hair of dragon and lots of worms. Ha 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 ha! It's just raisins, really.
What about some magic wands? Abracadabra.
Abracadabra!
And we'll need some magic potions. Fruities.
Now the snacks are ready, it is time to start the movie.
Let's get back to it.
You know, it would be lovely to have a cosy blanket for movie night.
Ooh, yes!
I am a bit chilly.
Let's make a witchy den.
Good idea.
I'll get the blankets.
Oh dear, George just wants to watch the film.
Everyone squish in then.
Much better.
Come and get squished, George.
I think George just wants to watch the film now.
Right then, let's get this started. Yay!
Oh no!
Now the film has frozen.
Must be the Wi-Fi. I'll take a look.
Look, Mummy, George is doing a magic spell.
That's progress.
We need more magic. Wish, woo, wee.
Aha!
Yay! Hooray! Woohoo! Yay!
You did it! Well done!
Well, thank you. Oh. Well done, George. Oh.
You make a very good witch, George.
Everybody loves family movie night, especially George.
Hooray! Stop him, Princess!
Tonight, Susie Sheep is sleeping over at Peppa's house.
Yes!
They are watching a movie.
Move, well done! Zap him! The princess is going to win, Susie!
A very loud movie.
Popcorn's ready, you two.
Hooray!
And me and George are baking something extra special for later.
Ooh. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you. Popcorn's the best, isn't it, Susie?
Everything is getting a bit loud for Susie.
It's a bit noisy, Peppa. Can we turn the movie down? It is loud in here, isn't it? Don't worry, I'll turn the movie up. That's better. Now we can hear the film.
It is not better for Susie, just noisy. So she has decided to find somewhere a bit quieter.
Everything okay, Susie?
Yes, thank you. The living room just got a bit loud and...
What? Sorry, Susie, you were saying?
The living room got quite loud and...
Gosh, is it 6 o'clock already? Sorry, Susie, let me turn this thing off. Now, how do I... Oh, no, turn off. Off.
Now the kitchen is too big and loud too.
Oh dear. Oh no. Ugh.
Susie, you're missing the best bit. Susie?
She was just here.
Susie has found a nice, quiet space in Peppa's room.
Susie, what are you doing up here? Oh, your mummy said it's 6 o'clock and I always read a story at 6 o'clock and everything downstairs was very loud, so I came here. There, much better. Can I read with you? Once upon a time, there was a very lovely princess and a very loud goblin.
Cookies are ready. Oh, oops.
Do you have cookies when you read your stories, Susie? Of course. Yes, please.
Peppa loves having sleepovers with Susie Sheep, and Susie loves having sleepovers with her best friend Peppa. It is Halloween night, and everyone is busy decorating pumpkins. There has been a power cut, which has made all the lights in the house turn off.
Oh dear, there must be something wrong with the electricity. Don't worry, I'll get the torches. Oh my!
Mummy Pig has found the torches.
Here we go. Now we can all see. But I'm afraid the pumpkins will have to wait until we fix the electricity.
I know. We can look for ghosts in the dark. Yay!
I'm a bit scared of ghosts. Can I keep my eyes shut?
OK, I'll help you get around. Ghost! Ooh.
George wants to look for ghosts too.
Sorry, George. You're too little. It will be too scary for you. Now, follow me.
Peppa and her friends are looking for ghosts in the very spooky living room.
Ooh. It's a ghost! It's not a ghost. It's just Gerald.
Sorry, Peppa. I can't see with my eyes shut.
This is the spookiest room in the house.
Now everyone is looking for ghosts in Peppa's bedroom.
Ghost!
The ghost is not a ghost. It is George in a blanket, and he wants to help look for ghosts too.
Ghost! Ghost! OK, George, you can come with us. But it will be very spooky in the hallway. No!
George doesn't think it will be spooky at all.
It's extra dark here. It's dark everywhere.
Oh dear, Peppa's torch has gone out.
It's too dark.
Ho, 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 ho. Now, there's nothing to be frightened of. Ooh!
The lights are back on, but now there is a big mess.
It was just a fuse. Oh, what happened?
I think we must have a ghost.
Peppa and her friends love looking for ghosts, but they love decorating pumpkins even more.
George!
Tonight, George is having a sleepover with Edmond Elephant and Richard Rabbit.
All right, everyone. Time for bed.
Don't worry, Mummy. I'll make sure they all go to sleep.
Thank you, Peppa.
Come on, then. Into your sleeping bags. Quick march.
Peppa likes being in charge.
Well done, Peppa. Good night, everyone.
Night. Only joking. You can't go to sleep yet. There's lots of fun things you have to do first.
George has never had a sleepover before. He is very excited.
First, we have to have a midnight feast. Oh, you've turned into ghosts. I know a spooky story about ghosts.
George, Richard and Edmund love stories.
This is a ghost story about a muddy puddle that wasn't muddy.
Paranormal apparitions, or ghosts as they're commonly known, do not exist. It is scientifically impossible.
Edmund is a clever clogs. He doesn't believe in ghosts.
Can I tell a story?
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a giant pig and a very small rabbit.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
And they chased each other forever and ever. The end.
That was a good story. Oh, I've got another one. This one is about...
George, Edmund and Richard have turned into ghosts again.
Silly George. Oh, do you know what's next?
Yay!
We have to stay up very late until, 100 o'clock. Ready? Oh. I don't think George understands sleepovers.
How's everything going, Peppa?
They're fast asleep, Mummy.
Well done. I think you've earned a midnight feast.
Hooray!
George and his friends like playing sleepover games, but they love to sleep.
And now for the amazing Ballet Circus Magic Show!
Today, Peppa is putting on a show for her teddies and George.
And now, the big magical finish. Oh! George, where are you going?
George is being very sneaky today.
George? What are you up to?
Peppa is following George into the garden to find out what he's up to.
Hello, kiddo. Hello, sunflower.
A secret room? Can I play, George? No. Fine. I'll make my own secret room. And it's going to be even better. And more secret.
Now Peppa is making her own secret room
Peppa?
under the garden table.
No, I'm not here. You can't see me in my new secret room.
Whoop! Phew!
I'm not sure this is the best place for you to play.
You're right. This isn't secret enough.
Peppa's new secret room is under her bed.
Now I can play any games I like practicing my amazing ballet circus magic show. Ooh, Oof, this isn't big enough. There, the most secret room ever.
Peppa, this is already a room.
Oh.
What's wrong, darling?
George made a secret room and he won't let me play, so I'm going to make one too, and George won't be allowed to play with me.
Do you think you might be a bit upset that George is playing without you?
No way. Maybe.
George is getting older, so he might want to play on his own sometimes. But you'll always be his big sister, don't you worry.
Yeah, always.
Right, so how about a tidy up?
Sorry, Mummy, I have to tell George something. George, it's okay if you want to play secret rooms without me, because you'll always be my big sister. Wait, no, I'll be your big sister. George, I was actually being a really nice big sister and the secret room is for you and me. I love it.
Peppa and George love secret rooms, and they still love playing together.